An auto insurance policy has deductible of 1 and maximum claim payment of 5. Loss amounts are exponential with mean 2. Find expected claim payment. Now let X be the loss and Y be the claim payment. So then the loss follows exponential distribution. So f of x, and the mean is 2. So f of x equals 1 over 2 e to the negative x by 2. And Y is the payment. So the payment will be 0 as long as the loss is less than the deductible. Remember, we said that the deductible is 1. Maximum payment is 2. So the payment is 0, if maximum payment is 5. So loss, when loss is less than 1, there is no payment. And then when loss is between 1 and 6, then you take off the deductible. And so the payment will be x minus 1. And then once, the reason why we are stopping at 6 is that when the loss is 6, the payment is 5, and that's the maximum payment. And so the payment is still 5, even when the loss is bigger than 6. Okay, so now E of Z, we have to find the expected value of the claim payment. Okay, E of Y. E of Y will be Y times Fx. Now, normally you know that E of Y will be Y, integral of Y against Fy. But since Y is going to be changed in terms of X, and we have to do that because we know the PDF of X only, not of Y. So this is right. And it's nothing when X is less than 1, and when X is between 1 and 6, the Y is X minus 1. The PDF is half E negative X by 2. And then when X is greater than 6, so 6 to infinity, the payment is 5, and the PDF is still the same. So now recall, we earlier learned the shortcut for an integration by parts of this form. If we have x plus k to the ax, it integrates to this. And so we'll pull the half out, and the x plus k is x minus 1. And then we have e to the ax divided by 2. So we'll have e to the negative x by 2 divided by a. So a here is negative half. So when you divide by negative half, you get a negative 2 as a multiple. And then the second part here is eax over a square. So be e negative x by 2 divided by negative half square. Negative half square will be 4. And then for e to the ax, we know that it's e to the ax divided by a. So it would be the 5 and the half are constant. So e to the negative x by 2 divided by negative 1 by 2, which is like multiplying by negative 2. And next, we also remember that when we put in the limit infinity here, this will be e to the negative infinity, and e to the negative infinity is 0. And once we realize that, everything is in order. So when you put 6 for x, this is 5. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10, e to the negative 6 by 2. And similarly here, and then the lower limit is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So this term doesn't contribute for the lower limit. And then when you put in the 1 here, you get e to the negative half. And similarly here, upper limit is 0 because of the e to the negative infinity, and the lower limit would be these two will cancel out, so it will become plus 5 e to the negative 3, and all this simplifies to this negative 2e negative 3 plus 2 e to the negative half, and that was choice C.